Usambot Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Preston Tensong henne kasngi ningkong ulak liya ke entry and exit point umning kabre ke jaka ban talasi ya karung kami jongki brie ki bathung bandrung shamegalaya hakne kasngi lai sanran lang dau Menteri Ketanat CNRD uba Hamlet Doling kumjo ki MLA Nari Bhoi bakan thop yo ba George Lingdo uba Esotun nalor ki officer bakan thop lu ya ke DC jongri Bhoi kong RM Kurba
Kenapa kau ini dia masuk Tuhan? Kinong India, mak berong bagi long bian berwan lu hak non wijela por India. Ini dia kenapa hai kata? Kamdon nak ke constitution jog India, berong bau nong nang kena kata tahu mak berong apa mereka. Ber kamdon lu ke constitution nak India berong ba nong mereka mak berong kata. Ini dia masuk Tuhan. Hamne ka kebegila ngomong this model, I think it is the first model ever in India in different states. Haka bangi kwa mo bangi don ya kaneka facilitation center ka entry point bakin register la pide ki tourist la ne pide ki bawan don kam la ne pide ki professionals la pide ki student la pide ki laborers ki bakwan one trace ni kwa ban register habang register kamu ban ong bagi hanglat bakin wan dengan kuat ban ong ki ngile ya kene nak ta ka jingbit jingbian jongki maria kene ki peninbol akan ka age jongi ki peninbol nadu ka darbasno hadu ki police station but hadu ka district task force kamu bahar dari deputy commissioner but ia borok ladon ngila link lang ha ka system ka ile dia nak tahu mungkin kamu ban ong bagi kuat ban thang ye noi no bagi wan tenre habu ki wan dakan ne kelenti ngani tu iki lagi sa system ne kisah dulu benai ne kisah si asden ne license ne ki bopuli ki sup don e ban ong ban fuslai naman pi ngatrai pi tete ki seng bahalang bopuli bialet dia check kini kita kum kini lebo license kini kita nang ne sekma ngaji tu pa nang ne sekma ngin simplify ta but we'll make sure bagi bawan hamne hapo pejela joni ni welcome ni tambah ki deban perbiang ya ki korpis ya ki benaba jom kari India lada dei ki illegal mo ki illegal kemudian lakon dan ki bawan lemba jom visa ki pasport jom ki barang biang narasyo again ya kata mi issue register amri tak dasik wanted by the people of this state long time back, and today I should say today is the red letter day where ultimately we are able to inaugurate this entry point which is known as facilitation center for those friends coming in or entering into our state. I'm thankful to all of my colleague Minister Hamlet and also my colleague MLAs in the assembly who are able to be here and then witness the inauguration of the entry point this morning. I think you must have inspected each and every counter. So this one is an humble beginning done by the government. Well, I would like to tell you, we may have shortcomings here and there, but I would request to every concerned, please feel free if you have any kind of suggestion. We are ready to accept it. We will modify it, and not only modification point or facilitation center to the extent where our friends coming in from different parts of our country as well as from outside the country, that the moment they landed here in this place, they feel homely and they feel safe.